Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Crystal. This episode we will introduce the Planetary Mixer. Let's go and have a look.
So it means not running, so you can see the light is just stopped. So and the dispersing bed is stopped here. So I last pressing again and it will be running again. You can see because it's having the memory, about the last time what the speed of the dispersing. So here will be running again from the 1000 speed. So when I pressing start again, so it's running in 1000 speed. So when I getting the mixer, so I know I'm getting the mixers about the mixing shaft to start. So it's running now. So it is still showing you what is this mixing running. It's ready to run. So when I pressing getting the adjust of this speed about the shaft of the running, you can see here. See this speed here. It's the squaffer and also the twist. It's also in running now. So it's all in running. See. So and the speed here it's only 12 RPM. So it's only have the 12 RPM. When I getting the speed upper, it will be getting run higher. So it's getting 35 RPM, 44 RPM, 45 RPM. So it's running faster now. So it will be getting the running now. So you can see here. So this twist is getting running. So dispersing also getting running. Scraper also getting running now. When I getting running quite quickly. You can see here it is running very quickly now. This is the tank is this tanking. It's getting up. And clock together. This is getting together. Yes. So I will be getting down again.
And for this one, also have one section it can get up limited.
You can see when I finger left about this lifting down button.
Okay, it's all. Next episode we will introduce the filter and filling machine. If you like our video, please don't forget to follow us. We are Paint and Chemical Machine.